Hi guys, I'm Sara Bendrick, landscape contractor, and I bought my first house and I've decided to use LP SmartSide ExpertFinish trim and siding to finish it off. So this house I bought is a total fixer-upper, so I had to do a lot of research to make sure I found a good product that would help protect my home, and that's where I found LP SmartSide ExpertFinish for my siding and my trim, because I really want to use something that will help withstand the weather out here, because there's a lot of it. Before I started installing, I expected the products to hold up on site during an active construction site. Of course, nowadays with delays and schedules and construction, I wanted to have the material there, ready to work on when I needed it. One of the key things I was looking for as well was efficiency in terms of installing. By having them pre-finished, that's actually amazing, because now once they're up, we need to touch up the edges and any exposed nail heads. That's way less work than putting up something raw and having to finish it later on site. As of yet, it's been holding up to my expectations and it's looking great. I think one of the big questions I have is how efficient is the product in terms of putting it up, but I think using a system of products is something very helpful that's designed to work together, because that way things just roll. I wanted to have a little bit of fun with the cabin, so I chose two different styles of siding. One is the cedar texture shake and the other is the lap siding. I picked them in two different colors, but they're not really dramatic color differences, they're slight color differences, so that will just give a little more interest to the cabin in general. For the parts of the house that weren't maybe as perfectly level or had some imperfections, I designed in the cedar texture shakes because of the staggered edges of it. It really kind of blends the lines so your eyes aren't following those windows that might be a little imperfect. The fact that the product comes on site pre-finished is amazing. You see your finished color right when it arrives, which is kind of exciting. As a designer and a builder, having that right away is kind of like instant gratification. I was a little bit nervous when the siding first went up, because anything you do that's dramatic to your home is always going to make you nervous, but I was really relieved to see it looked amazing. I think mixing the lap siding and the cedar texture shakes on the house was such a good move. I love how it came out. Having the different layers really makes this house feel unique and quirky, just like I started with. So I think bringing in that character, it just worked out great. I definitely recommend LP SmartSide ExpertFinish trim and siding to any of my clients who are thinking of building a new home or residing the existing one they have to give their whole property a facelift. Thanks for following along on my build. If you're looking for more product information or installation instructions, check out lpcorp.com.